Recently, I ran into this render error on Premiere Pro, and it kept popping up every time I tried to render the video. If you've seen this error too, don't worry. I'm going to show you a super quick fix so you can get back to editing without any hassle. Hello and welcome, How to Easy Quick. In today's video, I'll show you an easy quick way to fix that annoying render error in Premiere Pro. Follow along and we'll get this sorted out in just a minute or two. First, open your project in Premiere Pro. Once your project is opened, head over to the top menu and click on File, and then go down here to Project Settings. Here, in the Project Settings, click here on General, and then look for the option called Renderer. Once you find it, click here to switch the renderer to the Software Only option, and then click OK to apply the change. Once you are done with this, press Ctrl S to save your project and close Premiere Pro completely. Okay now, relaunch Premiere Pro and reopen the project. Now here it's time to check something important. Go back to Project Settings, check and make sure the renderer is still set to Software Only. Once confirmed, now you're ready to export your video again. Go to File, then Export, click on Media, or simply press Ctrl+M keys. This will open the video setup, and here set up your video export as usual. In the Export settings, click here on the Video tab. This will open a new list. From here, scroll down and click here on the Performance option under the Encoding settings. Now here, make sure it is set to Software Encoding instead of Hardware Encoding. If not, please change it to Software Encoding. Once it's done, click on Export to start rendering. Your video should render without any issues now. I hope this solved your rendering error. This simple switch to software encoding usually does the trick. If this helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy and quick tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if this worked for you. See you in the next video.